Hello students, myself Jyoti IS, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyoti Ma'am. It is the class for 7th standard students, CBSE, NCERT and also for Karnataka State. Now listen to the chapter 1 in teachers. In that the exercise 1.1, the question number is 7. In that a statement is given. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check. In this problem, two magic squares are given. We have to check out which is a magic square which is having the same sum along the row. What are rows? The number which are in the row column. Okay. This is the first row, second row and third row. In each row, if the sum of these three numbers, and we have to check all the three numbers, we have to add the three numbers, we should get the sum all same and also the columns. Because this is the first column, second column and third column. We have to add the numbers in the first column and also numbers in the second column and numbers in the third column and also the diagonal, the first diagonal and also the second diagonal numbers. We have to check by adding those numbers, is it a magic square which is having the same sum. Let us check. Understand the numbers in the first row, that is in the first row. The first row, which are numbers are there? 5 minus 1 minus 4. 5 minus 1 minus 4. Add the negative numbers. 5 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4 will become minus 5. If we add, we got 0. Here we got 0. And second row. The second row, the numbers in the second row are minus 5, minus 2, 7. Minus 5, minus 2 and 7 plus 7. Add the numbers which are having the like terms. Minus 5 and minus 2. If we add those two numbers, we will get minus 7 and plus 7. If we add these two, minus 7 and plus 7, we will get 0. In the second row, we got 0. Let us check for the third row. The third row, the numbers in the third row are 0, plus 3, minus 3. Plus 3, 0, plus 3, minus 3. If we add these, we will get 0. The third row also we got 0. Now let us check for the columns. First column. In the first column, numbers in the first column are plus 5 minus 5, 0. Plus 5 minus 5 plus 0 is equals to 0. And then in the second column, the numbers in the second column, are minus 1, minus 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2 plus 3, that is equals to minus, we are adding minus 2 and minus 1 and plus 3, we will get 0. And in the third column, number which are present in the third column, we will get minus 4 plus 7 and minus 3. Here minus 4 minus 3 will get added and plus 7 is that minus 7 plus 7 is equals to 0. Okay, all the columns will become, the sum of all the columns will become, numbers in the columns will become 0. Now let us check for the first diagonal. First diagonal numbers. The first diagonal number 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2 minus 3. These two are negative numbers. 5 is taken as it is and minus 12, that is equals to 0. We got the diagonal 0 and the second diagonal The second diagonal, minus 4 minus 2 0. Minus 4 minus 2 0 plus 0. Here we got minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 0. Here we got minus 6. Okay. Let us check for magic square. The first row, second row, third row, all we got 0. And in the first column, second column, third column, if the sum of those we got zeros. But in the first diagonal also we got 0. For the second diagonal, we got minus 6. From this, we came to know that this is not a magic square which is having the same sum along the row, along the columns and along the diagonals. Now let us check the another square. Is it a magic square or not? Now let us take the numbers in the second square. 1 minus 10 0. That is like this. We are writing the okay. 5 1 minus 10 0. 1 minus 10 0. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 6 4 minus 2. Minus 6 4 minus 7. Okay. Let us check it once again. 1 minus 10 0. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 6 4 and minus 7. We have to do the same procedure. Here the rows, the first row numbers. This is the second row numbers and this is the third row numbers. And here this is the first column and this is second column and this is third column. Okay. Now write the numbers which are in the first row. First row, no, we have to find the sum of first rows. First row we got 1 minus 10 0. 1 minus 10 0 plus 0 is equals to 1 minus 10. That is the difference we have to take and write the symbol of greater number. The second row numbers, minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 3 and minus 2. What we got? All are like terms, all are having minus symbol. Therefore, we have to add all the three numbers. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. But the symbol we should put minus. And the third row, in the third row, the numbers are minus 6, 4, minus 7. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 7. For solving this, adding the like terms, minus 30. That is also, we have 1 plus is there, 1 minus is there. We have to take the difference, that is 9, put the symbol of the greater number. Now let us move on to the columns. First column. In the first column we are having 1 minus 4 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 6. Here we got 1 minus 4 minus 6 is, if you add these two, we get minus 10. That if here you have to find the difference, that is 9, put the symbol of greater number. In the second column, minus 10 minus 3 plus 4. Minus 10 minus 3 plus 4. We are adding these two. These two are like terms which are having the same signs. That is equals to minus 13 plus 4. That is equals to, you have to find the difference here. 1 plus is there, another integer is positive. Therefore, we have to find the difference, that is 9, and put the symbol of greater symbol. On the third column, in the third column, 0, minus 2, minus 7. 0, minus 2, minus 7. Here these two are like terms which are having negative teachers, the negative symbols. Therefore, adding those, you will get 9 minus 9. Okay. Here we got for all in the rows also we got minus 9 and minus 9, and in the column side the sum is also minus 9 and minus 9. We have to check for diagonals. The first diagonal is 1 minus 3 minus 7. 1 minus 3 minus 7, that is equals to 1. We have to add this because both are having the negative sign. Minus 10, that is equals to, we have to take the difference here. 9, write the symbol of greater number. And the second diagonal, the second diagonal, 0 minus 3 minus 6, 0 plus 0 minus 3 minus 6. These two are like terms, we are adding and also writing the this. Here these two diagonals are also minus 9. In any way, all the rows, the sum of all the rows, sum of all the columns will become 9, and the sum of the numbers which are in the diagonals will become minus 9. Therefore, this is a magic square. Now let us move on to the next problem. Understood? All of you got? Check it once yourself. Next one, 8th, verify A minus of minus B. Question number 8. Verify A minus of minus B is equals to A plus B. Is equals to A plus B for the following. First one is A is equals to 21. A is equals to 21 and B is equals to 18. B is equals to 18. The second problem in that, A is equals to 118. Second one is A is equals to 118 and B is equals to 125. We have to verify this. A minus of minus B. A minus of minus B is equals to A plus B. Substitute these values in A minus of minus B. That is equals to A is 21 minus of minus 18 is equals to what we got here, 21 plus 18. We got 39 here. This is RHS. Let us check for RHS. RHS is equals to A plus B. If we add 21 and 18, 21 plus 18, here we got 39. From this we verified LHS is equals to RHS. Understood? Yes. Next we move on to this. Here also we have to verify A minus of minus B is equals to A plus B. Let us take the first one. A minus of minus B is equals to A is 118 minus of minus B is 125. That is equals to 118 minus into minus plus 125. If we add these two numbers, what we get? 125. That is 13, 4, 243. Isn't it? 243 we got LHS. If you check it for RHS, RHS is what? RHS is equals to A plus B. Value of A is 118 plus 125. Here is 118, 125, 13. Here also we got 243. Okay, RHS will become 243. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. It's verified. Take the next problem. Still two problems are there. A is equals to 75 and B is equals to 84. Third one, A is equals to 75 and B is equals to 84. And the next one is fourth one, A is equals to 28 and B is equals to 11. Here also we have to verify A minus of minus B is equals to A plus B. Let us take LHS, that is A of minus B, that is equals to 75 minus of minus 84. Here you will get 75 minus into minus plus 84, that is equals to 159. Isn't it? Okay, next RHS is equals to A plus B, that is equals to A is 75 plus 84, it is nothing but 159. Both LHS is equals to RHS. That's why we verified. We move on to the next problem. For every problem you have to write the formula like this. That is LHS is equals to A of, that is 28 minus of minus 11, that is equals to 28 minus into minus plus 11, that is equals to 39. Next one, RHS is equals to A plus B, that is equals to 28 plus 11, that is equals to 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, and LHS is equals to RHS verified. Okay, understood? Followed? This is the end of my class. Watch my videos and do subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.